Hello everyone. Now kinds of sentences. One more sentence, compound sentence. Okay. Today I want to explain compound sentence. Okay. It is a sentence made up of two or more main clause or principal clause or independent clause. Okay, main clause, principal clause, independent clause means same. Okay, main, principal or independent sentences or clauses. Okay, joined together by coordinating conjunctions or coordinators. Okay, coordinating conjunctions also called coordinators. Okay, the coordinators are and, but, or, either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and, whether or, yet, hence, as well as, else, so, no sooner than, still, etc. These all coordinators. Okay, that compound word, any sentence you can see any one of this word, then definitely it is compound sentence. Okay, if you will see any one of this word, then definitely it is compound sentence. How you identify compound sentence? Okay, compound sentence made up of two or more main, principal, independent sentences or clauses. Okay, joined together by coordinating conjunctions or coordinators such as and, but, or, either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and, whether or, yet, hence, as well as, else, so, no sooner than, still, etc. Okay, see, for example, the woman entered the train and sat near the window. Here, see, two sentences but join the one compound word and make it compound sentence. Okay, and here compound word and you can see here. Okay, and I saw the movie but I did not enjoy it. Here also coordinator but, so it is compound sentence. Okay, here coordinator and, so it is compound sentence. He was very rich but he was very unhappy. Here also what coordinator but used, so it is compound sentence. And one more, see, either the wire is faulty or the fuse has blown. Here also word either or used, so this also compound sentence. Now listen, how to form compound sentences. Okay, if some simple sentence or complex sentence, then how you change that sentence into compound sentences. Okay, then you have to create two or more independent or principal or main clauses that time. Okay, how to form compound sentences? First, you have to create two or more independent principal or main clauses. Okay, and join them with coordinating conjunctions or coordinators. Okay, clear? First you have to create two or more independent or principal or main clauses and join them with coordinating conjunctions or coordinators. Now see, for example, he collapsed at the sound of the gunshot. Okay, that simple sentence. Now how you change it into compound sentence? Okay, he heard the sound of the gunshot and collapsed. Clear? Here compound word used, so compound sentence. Okay, next we can share our experience and deepest thoughts. Okay, that simple sentence actually, this one. Okay, we can share our experience and deepest thoughts, simple sentence. Now how you change it into compound sentence? Okay, we can share not only our experience but also our deepest thoughts. Okay, here word not only and but also used. Okay, we can share not only our experience but also our deepest thoughts. Next, we can share our experience and deepest thoughts. A simple sentence. Okay, we can share not only our experience but also our deepest thoughts. Okay, this one compound sentence. We insert not only and but also. Okay, now see, when two things are joined by and or as well as, okay, we can transform the sentence using not only but also. Okay, and one more thing, but also always replaces and. Okay, but also always replaces and. Now next sentence, see, although it had rained, the weather was quite hot. That complex sentence. Okay, although word is there, that this one complex sentence. Now how you make it compound sentence? Okay, it had rained but the weather was quite hot. Compound sentence. Okay, we use the word but. Okay, now one more sentence. Mother rinsed the bowls and took meat out of the freezer. Okay, now see, mother not only rinsed the bowls but also took meat out of the freezer. Okay, see, and replace but also. Thank you.